get my color. Let's give him some color. No, red, orange. Yeah, that's cool. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Okay, cool. My man Octavius. Yeah. Let's give him some color as well. Okay, that's cool. We got the intellectuals. We'll get rid of the croissant. Get rid of that. We don't need that either. Maybe we get rid of the coffees. Maybe we move this over here, move that over there. Yeah, there we go. Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you doing? Can you distract me a little bit? Because I'm really not in the mood to work. It'll be kind of good. You let me know what you're doing, how you doing, what you're doing. Would love to know. Good morning, good morning. Oh, where'd the music go? Oh, yikes. There was some music playing somewhere, right? Okay, that looks good. Oh, you know what? I've not seen anything. Oh my god, howdy, how are you? I'm playing some Warzone Call of Duty. It's awesome, man. Oh yeah, I love it. You know what? I didn't even see any of the chats. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. 100. Gassy Giraffe. Oh yeah, I love it. Great, 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 great. You're fine. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? Thank you. I'm fine. Gassy Giraffe, where are you from? Where are you from? I would love to know. What are you up to? What are you hanging out? Uh, which city? Which country? Whereabouts? Where are ya? Tennessee! Shout out to Tennessee. There's only one 10 I see. There's only one 10 I see. Do you get it, Tennessee? That was my favorite joke. I've been meaning to say that. It's been in my mind for years. The Tennessee joke. I've not met a person from Tennessee in a very long time. Okay, thank you for the laughter. I think that deserves a subscribe. Come on. I've been to Tennessee. I've been to Tennessee. I have lived in Georgia and Atlanta, so we're technically neighbors. Uh, yeah, definitely, definitely. How you doing? How you doing, Tennessee? Ooh, shout out from Tennessee. Let's go. I'm feeling the love. I feel the dopamine hit. Oh my God, this is great. This is great. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I can continue with some work. I'm glad you're playing some games.